jumped into the street, got the license plate off the vehicle real quick, transmitted that through witnesses to the police department, and that vehicle was subsequently located.
So you're basing your statement here, your opinion, on Mr. Van Flaherty being a couple feet away from where the shooting happened, very close proximity,
Yes?
and actually seeing the shot come from the driver's side,
Yes.
that white Lincoln. Did you know that the white Lincoln was found?
Yes.
Did you know that there was no evidence of that white Lincoln?
Yes.
Did you know that that driver was found?
Yes.
Did you know that he testified at trial?
I was not aware he testified at trial.
And are you aware that he testified that he was driving down and several people tried to stop his car?
That was in the police report, yes.
But he testified at trial. You didn't know that.
No.
Would any of this, if you knew that he testified at trial, would that maybe change your opinion?
No, sir.
So you think that that person that testified at trial in front of a jury said he had nothing to do with it, that he was with his teenage nephew, his wife, that he was simply lying?
It's in conflict with the eyewitness testimony.
And you're relying solely on what Mr. Van Flaherty said in some document you saw?
That and the other independent witness.
Okay. And the other independent witness, did he say he saw it coming from the Lincoln?
I can't specifically say that. He saw the shotgun blast, I believe, and he saw the car. I don't know that he saw the blast at the time of the fire.
Now, you said you were a police officer for many years, correct?
Yes, sir.
And streets are go both directions, correct?
Correct.
Did you ever go out to this scene?
I did not.
So you don't know where the bar was in relation to where the shooting happened.
I do not.
You don't know if the shooting happened right in front of the bar or a little ways down the street, do you?
From the information in the police reports, I think it was away from the entrance of the bar.
Okay. And you don't know how far away, do you?
I do not.
And is it possible that there was one car that was driving away from the bar and one car that was driving towards the bar?
Speculation on my part, I have no idea.
Everything you're saying today is speculation, though, isn't it?
Everything with regard to my personal evaluation of
And
the
your
case
opinion.
facts, yes.
An opinion is speculation.
Correct.
So, there could have been two cars out there that night, couldn't there? If we're speculating.
There were two cars out there that night, the secondary witness.
Okay. So
Did
there have been
not see
three
any other car except the white one.
that was driving towards the bar.
I don't know.
They didn't see any car drive away from the bar, did they?
I don't know that.
And then there was three eyewitnesses, two eyewitnesses in one car and another eyewitness in another car, correct?
I don't know the second car.
Yeah, so you don't know. And you know that there was another shooting about a half hour, an hour before the murder of Officer Sepikowski.
I don't know that. It was listed in the report, with regard to the witnesses making statements against Mr. Lewis.
So, you didn't know when you were reaching this opinion that Mr. Lewis is innocent, that there was another individual that Mr. Lewis tried to rob about a half hour to an hour before the shooting of Mr. Sepikowski.
I don't know anything about that.
And you know nothing about that witness positively identified Mr. Lewis as the person who shot him with the shotgun.
I do not know that.
But with all this lack of knowledge, you're still speculating that Mr. Lewis is innocent.
Based on the contradictory testimony of eyewitnesses, yes.
And isn't that what juries are here to decide? You never spoke with any of these people.
No.
You're not relying on the fact that some of them were drunk and some of them weren't.
I
Are you?
can't speculate on that.
But you're speculating as to Mr. Lewis's innocence.
I am.
And you're here today as an expert in polygraph examination.
Yes, sir.
And based on your polygraph examination, you can't reach a conclusion as to whether or not Mr. Lewis was telling you the truth.
Correct.
And really, all the polygraph does is tell you, let me back up. in a polygraph, when you do an examination, what opinions can you really give?
Truthful, deceptive, or inconclusive?
And you could only give inconclusive in this test.
Correct.
And what are you measuring when you come up with that? Never mind, I don't need to go there. I have no additional questions, but I would ask that the last page of attachment number 7 be stricken. He's testifying, as he said, from speculation, and it's beyond what he's been certified as an expert to. He's here solely for the polygraph examination, and he's making an opinion based on his speculation. The court has all the documents that the court needs, and the court is the one that's to make this
Well, I don't
decision.
know that I have that page. I don't know that that's included in what I've already reviewed. I don't think I have that page either.
It would be, there's 2 pages, and then there was a copy of an email. Did you submit that? Yeah, there's a copy of an email, Lewis polygraph to sample.